Hi everyone. I am going to share God's revelation. I know very well that there is a reason behind why God revealed to me several times already about healing. This has been fourth times already. And let me jump right into it. I saw in the spirit a man covered with leprosy being healed by God. And the Lord reminded me of the verse in Second Kings chapter 5, 10 through 14, which is about the prophet Elisha sending a messenger to Naaman who has a leprosy, saying to him to go and wash himself 7 times in the Jordan. And Naaman did as the man of God had told him, and his flesh was restored and became clean like that of a young boy. Brothers and sisters, the Lord always reminded us that He is the only one who can heal and no one else. God feels bad whenever His people quickly look for medicine in times of emergency and forgot God. That is why let us all remember this word. This is from Him. Thank you and God bless you.